Top features of Dashlane. Intended for a more secure life on the web. Appreciate consistent organization, simple employee management, and adjustable security settings like 2FA and single sign-on. Guaranteed adoption. Dashlane is simple for representatives to utilize, and that implies more grounded security for the whole business. Be the first to be aware of breaches. What's more, make a move in the event that your data isn't where it should be, with customized security cautions and dark web monitoring. Secure sharing of password among employees. Workers can safely impart encoded passwords to people or gatherings, rather than sending them unstably over email or Slack. Work-life balance for teams. Your group can keep business and individual qualifications separate, with brilliant spaces. Administrators can screen the secret word well-being in a worker's business space, without compromising the security of their own space. Automated employee management. Be assured that when an employee joins, you know what all the passwords they need to get started, and when they leave the association, they won't be taking any business passwords with them. Contact Software Horsepower for more offers. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.